Hello, welcome to today's lecture. Today I'm going to be reading an older message from Lantos, once again focusing on how on the outer layers of life we can take great advantage of the enlivenment on the finer layers, the inner layers of existence. And that is what we're doing with the tools that they have been giving us during the course of this year. The July course and the special gifts of the July course, the Whisper of the Seeds, allowing us to enliven our inception seed and reflective inception seed throughout the night, every single night as we sleep, and gaining the tremendous benefits of that on the outer layers of existence with our lives. Health, prosperity, happiness, all of that flowing easily from the enlivenment of the inception and reflective inception seeds throughout the night as we sleep. And then the fountain, the singing seed fountain. These are going to have the same effect just for the entire world, enlivening the world mother seed, enlivening seed number 8 every second of every day, having a tremendous benefit on the outer layers of life for everyone in your household, but also having that great benefit for everyone in the world. So we see over and over throughout the history of biogenesis, all of the tools that Lantos has given us, we see that when we use the tools for our own personal benefit, we also benefit the entire world. And when we use the tools for the benefit of the world, we also receive a tremendous personal benefit. And the same thing on the inner and outer layers of existence. When we use the tools for the benefit on the outer layer of existence, for example, using the flame for a condition like a cut or a broken bone or arthritis, we still enliven the inner layers of existence and receive those benefits. And when we enliven the inner layers of existence, like enlivening our inception seed, we have profound benefits that accrue on the outer layers, the superficial layers of life as well. So this is a message from towards the end of 2010. Lantos said, very good. We are experiencing a great wave of awakening. It is a wave of the enlivenment of that inner level of life, which brings nourishment and support to the outer layers of existence. This awakening, or enlivenment, of these inner qualities comes about in waves. If one is swimming about on a flat sea, a sea without waves, it will take quite a lot of effort to swim a distance. But when the sea rises in waves, the swimmer need only make the proper adjustments and positioning such that the swimmer is propelled by the force and of the momentum of the waves. In this way, the swimmer may achieve great distances with very little effort. Just now, we are experiencing a very great upsurge of the finer layers of creation. These finer layers contain vast power and energy that cannot be achieved on the surface level of existence. Activities performed at this time have the support and momentum of this greater source of energy. Like the swimmer, only a few strokes will be necessary for great advancement. Yes, dear ones, we are blessed by a great wave of support, a wave generated on the finest level of expression, the level of existence illumined by the brilliant radiance of the light of Genesis. Great knowledge is awakened at this time. Great knowledge is emerging. Knowledge of creating, knowledge of the finest process in all of creation, knowledge of that process which gives rise to creation, knowledge of the source of creation. Yes, dear ones, we are very blessed. Creation is blessed. The knowledge is emerging to bring forth the great changes required at this time. Very good. Yes, it is very good. So again, we see Lantos talking about the enlivenment on the inner layers of creation and the tremendous benefits that that has on the outer layers of creation with very little effort. And again, that is a perfect way to view the moon seeds, the whisper of the seeds, as well as the singing seed fountains. The whisper of the seeds providing you with immeasurable benefits on the outer layers of life as well as the inner layers simply by sleeping with those orbs hanging above your bed or alongside your bed. The singing seed fountains, enlivening that seed number 8, the world mother seed, but also the initial rotations of creation at every moment throughout the day, throughout the night, within your home. Again, enlivening the inner for the benefit of the outer. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great week. I will speak with you again on Sunday.